Welcome to the ALX ACE program, where learners journey together through the virtual city of Bahari, a city where people and technology work together seamlessly to solve some of today's biggest challenges.
The city sits on the cutting edge of tech, fueled by individuals who have learned to harness the power of AI to transform all of our lives for the better. As the sun rises, the city's skyscrapers become more visible, standing tall as symbols of each resident's commitment to progress and innovation.
Your mission is clear. Understand AI so that you wield it effectively, becoming faster, smarter, almost superhuman. As AI becomes more prevalent in the world around us, learning to use it becomes a priority for everyone. When you unlock the capabilities of AI, you pave the way to start your next venture and accelerate the innate power of your mind.
Master the fundamentals of AI with ALX ACE. Let's begin designing this new world together. Are you ready? Let's get started.